Wait lang, akala nyo kailangan nyo ng mahabang prompt or complicated na prompt para lang magawa yung mga image na ito? Nope. Dito sa topic natin is I'll show you the smartest way to use AI. So, Google Gemini just dropped a fast forward in AI Studio. And guys, it's literally automatic. Zero prompts, isang selfie mo lang, siya na bahala sa lahat. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Start na natin and I'll show you how easy it is. Check this out. So what I'll do is I'll just upload my photo, a selfie photo, and I will generate. So as you can see here, 1950s, 1970s, 1980s, ano to? 1960s, 2000 and 90s. So immediately you will see all those images. 1950s, you see automatic, I look dapper. And for 1980s, see, these neon vibes. It's just like the AI knows history better than us. And the best part is, pagkatapos i-generate, you can just download the whole album and play it with your social media stories. Okay, I'll download the whole album. And definitely, you can download individually. Okay? So, ito yan. Click natin to. 1950s, 1960s, 70s, 80s, 90s, and 2000s. Siyempre, ang gusto natin is individual. Tama? So, click ko lang yan. Just click this download button first. 80s, 70s, 2000s, and 1960s. Great! Meron na tayo. So, kompleto na tayo. So, anong gagawin natin dito? Tama? Ang unang gagawin natin dito is, okay, bago tayo pumunta sa topic natin sa animation, papakita ko individually how detailed it is. Okay? Start natin dito. Okay. 1950s. Ganda, di ba? 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. Yan, mukha ko ni Manny Pacquiao. Okay. Then last is the whole album. Okay, let's proceed with the Grok AI. Again, let's go to Imagine. Oh, sorry, meron na pala ako dito. I'll just upload or animate the image. Simple, I'll just upload it. Concept natin dito is we'll do a time lapse. Doesn't matter kung anong gusto niyo, pwede niyo gayahin ito. Do your own thing. You have like a bunch of decades of pictures here. You can play around. So, gagayahin ko lang yung ginawa ko dun sa intro ko. So, let's do it now. Probably, I'll start with the 1960s. Click cancel. Okay. So, may prompt na ako dito actually. So, ang gagawin ko lang, I'll just copy and paste it. I'll share you the prompt. So, let's see how it goes. Okay. Actually, mali pala itong prompt ko. It's a shopping mall, but this one is inside a train station. Later we'll see. Let's see how it goes. Let's finish this thing. Okay. Bigla nag-iba, tama? Naging mall. Pero it doesn't matter. Mukha naman mall. Pero if you want, if okay. Let me just pause this one. Give me a minute, no? Probably we'll go with the okay, itong 90s na lang. Siguro yung 90s na lang. Copy ko ulit to. Then, make a video. Cancel again. And hit paste. So, nasa mall tayo. Let's see, ha? Going back, if you can see here, it's able to get the 90s vibes. Nakakatawa yung buhok ko rito para akong panlinis sa sahig. Pero anyway, let's wait for this. And that's it, done. So you have your own time lapse. So this one is easily available. I will share it to you guys. So it's up to you how you will do it. You can like create all of your images or videos in one shot and then do speed it up for 400 times. So you can do a time lapse for you. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this very straightforward tutorial. Have a great day and bye-bye. See you next time.